Beginning is the most important part of life. Let your child embark a new journey. Introducing Oyster Pre-Primary School, a complete school where students meet skills and creativity with fun. Oyster Pre-Primary School follows CBSE curriculum since 1998. We provide an environment where students meet with simplicity and invention with entertainment. If you want to enhance your child's skills and abilities with holistic development, Oyster Pre-Primary School is the only one which believes in collaboration, critical thinking, communication and creativity. Our key aspects are computer lab, digital classrooms, teaching by most advanced audio-visual e-learning methods, water pool with lots of play items such as swings, merry-go-round, seesaw, climbers, etc. Stage for cultural activities, library with informative material for students and parents, school van for transport, canteen, weekly visits to places of temples, transport, banks, market, fire brigade station, zoo, etc. Pleasant ambience, uniform with blazers, practical teaching methodology with sand pool and dollhouse. We would love to hear from you. Admission open for